You take me home and give me wings to fly. We can be alone in the castle in the sky. We can run away and leave this world behind. Please just take me.
Hello, welcome to Storybook Crochet. I'm Heather, and today I'll guide you through creating the extended mesh crochet stitch. The extended stitch sits slightly angled when combined with classic mesh. It creates a drapery fabric that is great for a lot of projects. So let's grab all of our supplies and we will get started. For today's tutorial, I am using a worsted yarn in pink and an H hook, but you can use any yarn and hook that are needed to complete your project. So to start off, we're going to go ahead and make a slip knot. And then you're going to create an odd number of chain stitches. So you're going to make your chain. It just needs to end in an odd number. So I am going to add up on the screen a chart to show you different blanket sizes that you can create using this stitch. So you're going to want to measure your chain as you go, just making sure that you end in an odd number of chains. All right, once you have your chain made, we are going to start by working in the 5th chain from our hook. So you're going to count from here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This chain will count as an extended single crochet and a chain 1 space when you get to the end of row number 2. So go into that 5th stitch there and we're going to create an extended single crochet. So you're going to insert your hook into that 5th chain. You're going to yarn over and pull up a loop. You'll have 2 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over and pull through the first loop there. And then you're going to yarn over again and pull through the last 2 loops. And that creates an extended single crochet. After this, we're going to repeat the same pattern. We're going to start with a chain 1. And then we're going to skip the next chain. And then we're going to create our next extended single crochet in the chain after that. So skip that next chain, insert your hook into the second one, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through your first loop, yarn over and pull through 2. Okay, so that creates our repeating pattern that we're going to use across this chain. So chain 1, skip the next stitch, insert your hook into the second stitch, and create your extended single crochet. You will repeat this process across the chain. Your chain 1, skip a stitch, extended single crochet until you get to the very last stitch of your chain. All right, your last extended single crochet should be made in that very last chain there. So to end row number 1, we're going to chain 3. And you will do this at the end of every row before you turn. So make your chain 3 and then turn your piece over. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and skip that chain 1 space at the end, the last one that you made. And we're going to make our next extended single crochet in the next stitch. So you will make your extended single crochet stitch in the previous extended single crochet stitch below. So you'll skip the next chain 1 space. So go ahead and chain 1, skip that space below, and then make your extended single crochet in the next stitch. Chain 1, skip the chain 1 space, create an extended single crochet. Okay, and then you'll just repeat that across, and I'll show you how to make your last extended single crochet at the very end. All right, once you come to the end, you're going to go ahead and make your chain 1, and then we're going to crochet into the top of that chain that we left at the beginning of row 1. So you're going to go into the second chain of that and create an extended single crochet. Okay, and then we're just going to repeat row 2 as many times as you need to create the desired length that you need. So chain 3, turn your piece over. You're going to skip that chain 1 space and then extended single crochet in the next stitch. All right, then you're going to chain 1, skip the chain 1 space below, and extended single crochet in the next stitch. All right, and you're just going to repeat that across again, and then I'll show you how to end this and then I'll show you how to end the last stitch of the row. All right, now that you're at the end of this row, we're going to chain 1, and then we have our chain 3 that we made at the end of the last row. So you're going to go into the second chain made, insert your hook, and make your extended single crochet. So this is the repeating pattern of the extended mesh. So you'll just repeat row 2 over and over, and I'm going to go ahead and write the instructions for that up on the screen so you can read that as you go along until you get the pattern memorized. And that is the extended mesh crochet stitch. It's incredibly simple and works up quickly. If you are looking for more crochet stitch tutorials, I've created a dedicated playlist just for you. Click the link above to explore all of those patterns. As always, thank you for crocheting with me today, and I will see you in the next video.
Won't you take me